Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did achieve this simple pink cut crease look, which is absolutely so perfect and gorgeous for spring. And without further ado, let's jump right straight into this tutorial. So I already did my brows off camera, and going into my eyes, I'm going in with my Colorpop eyeshadow, and I also did set and prime my eyes with a loose powder. So I'm applying the shadow on my lid and working my way upwards. And this creates kind of a smooth transition for me because I'm using the pink shadow as my transition color, so that's why I did this. I'm just adding more of the shadow on my lid and working my way upwards. You can add as much as you want or as less as you want, depending on how pigmented you want this look to actually be. I'm also blending out with a very soft eyeshadow blending brush. Moving into my Nubian 2 palette, I'm going in with the purple shade right there. I'm applying that on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm also blending that inwards. Like I said, feel free to apply more shadow or less depending on how you want your look to be. So next, I'm using my Colorpop concealer. I'm applying that on my lid, and I just did open my eyes to give my perfect cut crease. Yeah. And I'm also working my way outwards and inwards. I'm also applying more of the purple eyeshadow to give me kind of an ombre effect. Next, I'm going into my Morphe 350 palette with the lightest shade on the palette. I'm applying that on my lid to give me kind of a white effect, if you get what I mean. Then I'm going in with the shimmery shade right there. I'm applying that on my lid as my lid color.
Better not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have words.
Next, I'm going in with a small blending brush with the same pink shadow just to kind of define my cut crease. I'm going with that shade right there, a little bit white shade, and I'm applying that on my brow bone. Next, I'm using my L'Oreal gel eyeliner. I'm applying that on my eyes to give me kind of, I actually wanted a very bold like look, but you know, but not too bold, if you get what I mean. I understand this part can actually be really tedious, guys, so you really want to go as gently as you can and work your way. If you want it bigger or smaller, that's all up to you.
Whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady, I'm trending.
Next, I'm going in with my concealer just to clean up my liner, to define it more.
Hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget from nothing.
Moving into my face, I'll be using my Mercier primer just to give me that perfect glow.
Man, every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah.
Using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the orange tone, I'm applying that on my dark spots and my dark circles. I'm blending out with a very small brush, so I don't take it I don't put it all over my face.
To strive, one day I'll have
Next, I'm using my glow primer. I'm applying that on the high points of my face to give me that glow from within. I'm also blending that with a Real Technique foundation brush.
Or you can be lies. Today, who are you? You're a little bit of nothing. You can be right, but you can be wrong.
For my foundation, I'm using my MAC Prolongwear foundation and an essential oil. Just because I have a very dry skin, I have to add oil on my face. If not, I'm gonna break out during the day. So don't worry about all of the products, guys. They will be all listed down in the description box down below. For my concealer, I'm using my Colorpop concealer just to highlight and contour my face. I'm gonna blend all of that with a blending brush and also a beauty blender.
But today you lose, and you're quite the story. I don't know too well all of your secrets you'd never tell. How you do what you
Next, I'll be setting my face with Benai Luxury Powder underneath my eyes, my forehead, the center of my nose. And I'm also using a small makeup foam, if that's what it's called, to actually define my nose to make it more pointed, you know. It's actually kind of sculpting the nose. Then I'm dusting up the excess powder with a brush, and I'm applying my contour powder on my face. I'm using a small brush to contour my nose. I did apply my lashes, as you can see. For underneath my eyes, I'm using the same pink eyeshadow from Colorpop. And I'm blending that with a small eyeshadow brush. For my highlighter, I'm also using Colorpop. Applying that on my cheekbones, center of my nose, my forehead, and then all of those areas we usually highlight. Blending all of that using my Tarte blush. I'm applying that underneath my highlighter. For my mascara, I'm using the Face Shop mascara for my bottom lashes. My lip pencil, a brown lip pencil. I'm applying it on my lips. And applying a lip pencil first before your lipstick actually helps with the application of your lipstick. It makes it really easy and smooth to apply. So for my lip paint, I'll be using the Tarte lip paint in two shades rather. And they will all be listed in the description box down below. For my lip gloss, I'm using my Colorpop lip gloss, which is absolutely so amazing, guys. I really love it. So for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm using my highlighter palette. I'm applying it on my teardrop. I'm just setting all of my face with my MAC Fix Plus to get off all of that powdery thing from my face. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.